This might look like chaos to some. Chaos gardening, we'll say. Some refer to the forest as the green wall. When you look at it, it just looks like a green wall. So much going on the edge of a forest. But when we get to know the edge of that forest and the plants within it, it calls us in. Right here, if we zoom in, see if I can find one, there's pears right there in the center. Below that, we've got cherries. Below that, I've got currants. Below that, I've got ground covers of many, many species. Below that, we have a diversity of annuals and perennials mixed into the garden beds here. Cabbage, potatoes, carrots, peppers, tomatoes, onions, squash, but also strawberries, rhubarb, daylilies, grapes, apples, more cherries. So we look at that wall there, but even in this small area right here, this little jostle, that's what started this video. So my friend Little John loves the Cornelian cherries. I looked over and saw one. These are the Cornelian cherries. A bright red one back here. When we look at that Cornelian cherry, or these Cornelian cherries, we see some beans climbing up it. But what else? In the foreground, that leaf there, is this locust tree climbing out of it that I prune back every year. That's fixing nitrogen, calling in beneficial with its tasty flowers and yummy flowers. So once we know what these plants are around us, it's not as much of a green wall. Instead, we come down here and pick and eat the currants. Enjoy a pear. Harvest the strawberries. Have some beets. Potatoes are about there. Lots of peppers. Lots of tomatoes. Lots of cabbage. Lots of onions. Sweet potatoes come in for later in the year. So a lot in a small area. By stacking and packing. Trying to use the 7 layers of a food forest. Designing with those plants in mind and what their benefits are. Yes, food. We want